Fuzzy hugs. Fuzzy hugs are magical and loving beings that can only be found in the rainforest of Stanley Park in Vancouver, Canada. As mentioned, fuzzy hugs are magical and can only be seen if you have kindness in your heart. Every year, around Valentines Day and Anti-Bullying Day, fuzzy hugs come out from their rainforest hideaways, and they share their powers of love, understanding, acceptance, and friendship. With their arms outreached, fuzzy hugs give everyone who is in need the feeling of a fuzzy hug. What's even more magical is that you can make a fuzzy hug to give to someone else who may be in need of a hug. Let's make a fuzzy hug! Fuzzy hugs come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and they are all created equal. They all share the same magical abilities. My favorite color is black. What's yours? Now, we all know that you have to have kindness in your heart to create a fuzzy hug. But what else do you need to create a fuzzy hug? It doesn't take much to create a fuzzy hug. You'll need some yarn, and you can cut it to any length you wish. A pipe cleaner, a pair of scissors, a pull tab from your favorite beverage, a bar pin, a set of wiggly eyes, which I like to call googly eyes because googly is fun to say, googly, and some permanent fabric glue. I've also protected the table using wrapping paper that I've cut to size and tacked down with some painter's tape. Take a strand of yarn cut to your desired length. Fold in half, take your pull tab, and place the yarn over top of one of the holes. Take the two ends and put through the back of one of the holes of the pull tab. Bringing it through to the other side, pull tight and bring to one side of the pull tab. Continue until you have covered the metal of the pull tab. For step number 2, you'll need your bar pin and your pipe cleaner. Take your pipe cleaner and fold it in half. You'll notice that the bar pin has 2 holes on the back. You'll be taking your pipe cleaner and putting the pipe cleaner ends through the 2 holes. And pull the pipe cleaner down. Take the 2 ends of your pipe cleaner and put it through the bottom of one of the holes of the pull tab. Next, tie a knot. Next, take the 2 ends of the pipe cleaner and put it through the top hole. And pull through. Next, positioning the arms. Fold the pipe cleaners on the 2 ends in half. Make a little loop for a hand and simply twist the pipe cleaner back down. Do the same on the other side. Position the pipe cleaner of your fuzzy hug in a position so it looks like they're giving a hug. Taking a look at the back of the fuzzy hug, you can see that the bar pin is securely fastened and that the arms of the fuzzy hug that were brought through are pulled around to the front. You can also make a fuzzy hug without using a bar pin, simply using the pipe cleaner. Take your pipe cleaner and fold it in half. Take the 2 ends of the pipe cleaner and put them through both holes of the pull tab. Pull through and make a knot. Pull tight. Fold each pipe cleaner arm in half. Make a small loop for the hands. And twist the remainder of the pipe cleaner down the arm. Position your fuzzy hug arms so they look as if they're giving you a hug. Now it's time to give your fuzzy hug a haircut. You can cut the hair of your fuzzy hug any which way you choose. The last step, placing your wiggly eyes, or googly eyes, on your fuzzy hug. Take your permanent fabric glue and make 2 dots. Position the eyes where you like. Take your googly eye and place on top of the glue. Hold down for a few seconds. Allow the glue to set for 3 to 5 minutes. You just created your own fuzzy hug. Have kindness in your heart, and give the gift of a fuzzy hug this Valentine's Day and Anti-Bullying Day.